Cal 1541, Heavy Kennedy Tower, one departure prior to you. Heavy Boeing 777, caution wake turbulence, runway 22 right, clear to land.
On a checklist, take off runway.
And Cal 1541, heavy traffic holding in position for runway 31 left, heavy Airbus.
Line-up checklist complete.
Air France 3 Tango, heavy traffic on an odd-mile final for runway 22 right, a heavy Boeing 747.
Yeah, copy the friends. 3 Tango.
JetBlue 263, contact near departure.
Departure, good night, sir, thank you.
And we're fully already at France 3 Tango.
Air France 3 Tango, heavy continue holding in position at idle thrust.
Okay.
On a 39 tonnes visite.
Air France 3 Tango, heavy, the traffic now 7-mile final, runway 22 right. Additional traffic, helicopter at your 1 o'clock, 2 miles northwestbound with 600 feet. Runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
31 left, clear for takeoff. Air France 3 Tango.
Take off.
Yes.
Cargo King 232, heavy Kennedy Tower, traffic 6-mile final, runway 22 right, line up and wait. Additional traffic departing runway 31 left, heavy A350.
Otherwise, as about my way to Georgia, Cargo King 222, short runway 22 right.
Check.
Also, let's to the right of copy.
Thrust set. Final touch.
B1.
More take. Center climb. Right? No. Check.
Tango, heavy contact near departure.
Departure, first, France 3 Tango. Bye bye. Ah, entrée.
Everyone,
Check. Yes. On a la révision des
alors, France direct line, climb at your blue, also thrust, speed 250.
check the pack 1 and 2 on. Departure, France 3 Tango Heavy. Get a plane passing the 1700.
Air France 3 Tango, heavy, your departure to contact climb maintain 7,000.
Maintain 3000 Air France 3 Tango Heavy.
Flaps 0,
Now,
Speed
steady,
checked.
010, traffic is
Zero.
28.47.
Check was that.
Heading 010 over to 1817, go 3895 man.
Ok, les volets sont rentrés, le train également, les actions.
Air France 3 Tango, heavy, turn left 070.
Heading 070, Air France 3 Tango Heavy.
open fly, heading à gauche, 070.
Check, on a passé la sécurité.
Start spreading.